This is an important message for the following county: Wayne, Michigan. The National Weather Service Detroit has issued a warning for the Rouge River in Detroit. From now until further notice.
River flow.
At 7 a.m. Wednesday, the stage is 13.8 feet and rising. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast is to rise above flood stage by late this morning, in crest around to 16.8 feet this evening. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 17.5 feet on May 13th, 2018.
Guys. Oh, crap.
Book appointments online for every project.
Impacts. High water level combined with high waves is expected to cause localized lakeshore flooding. Conditions improve by Wednesday morning.
Crap.
Winds turn out of the southwest and increase by afternoon. The lakeshore flood advisory indicates that onshore winds will generate...
How many alerts are we gonna get? Jeez.
Stay informed.
It's the second time today.
Safety to learn more about dangerous waves.
So guys, I didn't record the flood warning, but I did record the river flood warning on TV.
This is an important message for the following counties in Michigan, Huron, Senelik, and St. Clair. Lakeshore flooding, east to north,
Gosh.
20 to 30 miles per hour across the southern Lake Huron basin will lead to increased water levels along the shoreline from the northern sump to Port Huron. Water levels will be exacerbated by high wave action impacting the shoreline, with waves in excess of 5 feet. Impacts, the high waves and rising water level will lead to significant...
Gosh!
Did they not? Huh? Who thinks so? That's okay.
I have no idea.
I captured an alert on TV. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how many alerts we're gonna get. We just got 2 flood warnings. One which was... What?
You'll keep getting them all day.
Yeah, because we have flooding in our area. Guys, let me show you. Look at this. We have flood. And plus, this just happened last night. Flooding. Plus, last night, all my radios were switched to off during the flash flood warning. So I didn't capture that because I forgot about it. Gosh, we got so much alerts. I don't know if we're gonna get another flood warning that's gonna be like a flash flood or whatever. And guys, also yesterday, I didn't capture this, but there was a lakeshore flood warning too as well. But I didn't capture that. Plus, all the lakeshore flood alerts are almost about to expire, which include the 2 other lakeshore flood advisories for Monroe and Wayne that are about to expire at 8. Oh.
Yeah, it's going down Trinity's stairs and stuff, the water, and her room is down there.
I have this shirt. Now I gotta find socks. Here's the kicker. I don't have any because they're probably on the floor down there.